Hello, welcome to episode 67 of the Smile Create Repeat demonstration video. My name is Tony Luongo, artist and co-founder of Smile Create Repeat. This month we'll be creating this illustration with these supplies. We're going to get started in a minute, but first please click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of these videos. And if you could, click the thumbs up button. That really helps us spread the word and help more artists learn about drawing and painting. Thank you very much, and let's get started. We're here with supplies from the 2019 August surprise from Smile Create Repeat. We got some brush pens and a cool metallic ink pen that we're going to be using to ink this drawing. So this, I used my 2H pencil. It's a hardness is 2H graphite pencil from Kimberly. I drew this out. It took quite a while to get the fingers right. I'm going to use my Prismacolor black brush pen on the hand. So with the brush pen you can do a fine line, but I like to do the varying line weight and overlapping to create some excitement and volume. And you want that variation. That's what makes it exciting. And the overlapping give it the depth you're looking for. And this takes a lot of practice to get the lines the way you want them to be, because you're not only controlling the tool, but to see what you actually want the lines to do. And now we're using a kind of a neat fine point pen to draw the details of the tools, of the supplies we got. So I'm going to go back in with the brush pen and add some values. And because that one's a black pen, so I did a lot of black on there and just showing a slight reflection on it, as same as this one. And this one's dark too, but I'm going to leave a slight edge on that back, on that bottom, to show the reflection or the light, yeah. Okay. And maybe we'll add a little bit of, this might be kind of neat. some light. So now we're just going to do the opposite on here. And this is going to be interesting because you're going to be using two brush tools really the same way, and you're going to feel, they're going to feel very different, which is good because then you get to experience both and see which one you prefer. There we go. That's what I was trying to get. Now we're going to go with this metallic green. So I'm going to put it there. Brush pen demonstration using a variety of tools, different brands, so you can try them all out. If you have any comments, questions, let me know, and please subscribe and like this video. Until next month, remember, smile, create, repeat. Thank you very much and have a great month.